we're here at the 48th Street and Thomas project, our new office, and as we're buttoning it up or putting it together, I guess I should say, we have these curtains hung, but it's just lacking something. So I borrowed an idea from Restoration Hardware. I'm going to show you guys what that is here in just a second to kind of just add a different element into the space. So come on in. I'm going to show you guys what we're doing. All right, there it is. This rope is, you could get it on eBay. You could use this rope for, if you want to work out your arms or shoulders or whatever as well. So we want to use this as this tie back. We'll use this as the holder. This is going to be it. So what we're going to do now, Dexter duct tape. It's really sticky. So we're going to tape both ends because once this is cut, this thing's going to fray pretty quick. Good thing I didn't have this office cleaned before this. Here's the ends that we're going to use. You don't have to use these. For me, I like putting these ends on here. It makes it a little cleaner. So you could use this, some of you guys just use your, whatever you're using for crack, a little torch. It's all good. No judgment here. Just if you're sleeping on the property, please clean up. Okay, the key is to warm these up and not heat them up too fast. If you heat them up too fast, it ends up splitting them because they burn too quick. Okay, they crack. So, all right, here we go. You got a spoon? Not funny? Sorry. You call it like a rope condom of sorts. It's about right there.